Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, Ryngkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ryngkat bat kari Baroh Kawei, ke jela Meghalaya ru haka arpun reu tadek ukala lingkon, arajar kat kendai, kala Rakhe ye ke Republic Day ke bah nyopo, jong kari. Haka ni kenong ba Shillong, ke jing Rakhe ke bala pelong dak sorkar jela, la pelong hapo madan polo, haka ba ulat ke jela, utatha gata roy, ulalong kongsan. Haka ni kesngi las dangi ke jing Rakhe, da ke jing kentiu, ya ke lama lai rong jong kari. Da ulat ke jela, bat hadien ke nepak lapan buat, sada ke jing yaaj paren, haka ba lai shimenta, da ki shipau teliki kenhon. Bakan tom, ya ke kenhon jang ke Border Security Force, ke Central Reserve Police Force, ke Assam Regimental Center, ke Mizoram Police, ke DEF Meghalaya, ke CSSCS, ke kenhon jang ke NCC, kentai bat cenrang, ke Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides, ke Indian Red Cross Society, bat ke kenhon Brass and Band, ke kenhon ke Bai Klelang, da ki dikhat jong ke Border Wing Home Guards, bat ke Border Security Force.
Approaching the dais, led by the Parade Commander Major Sujai Channel, is the Assam Regiment under the command of Knight Subadar Liana Mar. Approaching the saluting dais is now the contingent of the Border Security Force, led by Sub-Inspector Sanjay Kumar. Following the contingent of the Border Security Force in approaching the saluting dais is the contingent of the Central Reserve Police Force under the command of Sub-Inspector Pradeep Yadav. Following the CRPF is today's second-in-command Inspector Rajan Bordaloy, leading the Meghalaya Police, led by Armed Sub-Inspector Thom Bahadur Vishwakarma. Approaching the saluting dais and part of the interstate exchange program is following the Mizoram police contingent, and taking the salute now is Colonel Shishupal Security Consultancy Services, led by Archipol Thongne. Following the Colonel Shishupal Security Consultancy Services and taking the salute now is the NCC Boys Contingent, led by Senior Under Officer Shalkit Bok Karpani of Sinon College. Salute now is the Bharat Scouts and Guides, led by its commander Alvinson Lingdo of St. Gabriel's High Secondary School, Laimer. And ladies and gentlemen, finally taking the salute is the Indian Red Cross Society, led by Ms. Hesley Jane Nongbarsao.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a loud round of applause for the striking display of parade at this celebration, the result of untiring efforts put in these past few days.
of our founding fathers who framed the constitution that led to the birth of world's greatest democratic republic, and that has held such a vast and diverse country together. Let us on this day also pay homage to all the freedom fighters who fought for our country's independence, and let us remember with reverence Meghalaya's old patriots, namely Tirot Singh, Ukiang Namba, and Patogan and Sangma, and many other unsung heroes. A hardworking, resilient, and peace-loving population have always been the strength of many great nations. People of our beautiful state have always been imbued by these values and principles. Even during the movement for statehood, we are abided by these principles and democratic ethos. Being fully aware that violence is never the way out of any problem, we should always resort to solve problems through meaningful dialogue and peaceful engagement. On this solemn occasion, I earnestly appeal to all citizens of the state to hold steadfastly to the ideals and principles of democracy as we move forward to realize our goals and aspirations for achieving all-round development. The law and order situation in the state is by and large peaceful. All measures are being taken to ensure safety and security to all citizens, with particular emphasis on combating crimes against women and children and human trafficking. Instructions have been issued for expeditious investigation into cases relating to these matters. The overall internal security situation has also significantly improved over the last 1 year. We must now take this opportunity and redouble our efforts to ensure durable peace and sustained development in the state. I call upon the people of the state to join hands with our ongoing endeavor to maintain peace and harmony, so that we can forge ahead on the path of growth and development. We renew our commitment today to respond to the call of duty, to serve our people with love and compassion, and in accordance with the principles enshrined in our Constitution. We firmly believe that together we will help people realize their dreams and aspirations and pave the way for a secure future. I also urge parents and guardians to devote quality time to counsel and guide their children and wards and inculcate in them high moral, ethical and social values to enable them to grow as worthy citizens of our society.
Hadin ke paret akan dikejar Rakhe la peninam ru ye kitabon da kitnat sarkar baper ki balasna ye ki dor ki babonjan ki badan ru la ki jingket jimon ki balapan kre da kitnat fisheries, forest and environment, horticulture, social welfare, soil and water conservation, agriculture, public health engineering, katnat commerce and industries, katnat animal husbandry and veterinary, ka district executive force, East Car Sales, ban ka office jong chief electoral officer ka jilla. Hakani ke ko peninam kitabon hakakadan bandingkong la job da katnat animal husbandry and veterinary, Kabalawan ba arpat kedai katnat agriculture, but kabalawan balai pat kedai katnat social welfare, but katnat commerce and industries.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next tableau lined up for today is the tableau of the Forest and Environment Department based on the ecosystem services in Meghalaya. This is an interesting floral and faunal diversity in the Indian subcontinent, with average rainfall as high as 12,000 millimeters in areas like Mountain Ram and Sora.
Meghalaya is the land of spices and has natural advantages in growing a variety of spices. Spices of Meghalaya are second to none when it comes to quality. A variety of other species are grown in the state, of which ginger, turmeric, black pepper, and bay leaf or tej patta occupy the major part and have a sizable marketable surplus.
Every child deserves a home. Every child deserves to hear the words, "You are not alone." Every mind.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we have a round of applause for the Tableau of the Department of Social Welfare.
Processing of rubber involves tapping via rubber content, determining use of Meghalaya, mixture of clean water in addition of acid, 24 hours coagulating process, pouring to squeeze out water on plain and groove rollers, drying the sun and later in the smokehouse, and stored in a bundle of 25 to 50 kgs. Ladies and gentlemen, the Tableau of Swachh Bharat mission presents a waste management option of household level to deal with the problems of disposal of household biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes through composting and other methods of non-biodegradable and composting method. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the tableau depicting Swachh Bharat mission from the Public Health Engineering Department, Government of Meghalaya.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we have a round of applause for the tableau of the District Commerce and Industries Centre, Shillong.
Their service, however, is not only for the welfare of livestock and poultry, but also to achieve a sustainable livelihood of the rural population and to ensure safe and healthy animal protein source like meat, milk and egg to the entire population at large for generations to come, thereby creating a healthy tomorrow beginning today. Ladies and gentlemen, the tableau of the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, East Khansians District, Shillong.
The District Police has been at the forefront in initiating community policing to strengthen a healthy police-public relationship through its various programs.
The gender ratio is 1021, which reflects female enrollment outnumbering the male enrollment. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause for the tableau of the Office of the Chief Electoral Officer, Meghalaya, depicting the theme, "No voter to be left behind."
Hakani ka singila samro iki kusnam ba peroper bakan thop ka kusnam si jaka sumar jong sarkar ki balala ban panne ek jingkho jingsuba katkum ka Swachh Bharat Abhiyan bat yakani ka kusnam layo daga Ganesh Das Hospital Shillong nangta ka Northern District Hospital ka Mauplang Community Health Center bat Southly ki Primary Health Center ki bana kani ka East Khansians District bakan thop ka Pomrom Lailingkot ka Laitrangau bat ka Jata PHC Hakani ka singila samro iki kusnam Meghalaya Day Award daulat ka jilla Hakabaya ka kusnam Utirat Singh Award la eyes of Dr. Fair Vision nong tudu bat ka kusnam ukyang nong ba award pan Xiao Eugene ke Marang.
Ladies and gentlemen, Cadet Officer Shillong. In the second place, we have the Office of the District Agricultural Officer. And the champions, a round of applause to the winners and also to all the other departments who actively participated in the presentation.